the blue dimension is like the aura mode. Is it though? I think it is. What else, Guzzies? Yeah, bro. I was just like, fuck it, bro. Let's go blue. What up, Don? How's it going?
Other platform to those. I'm gonna name properly. So from Spotify, and then we have our camera clone. Right for these scenes, these are just. So the next thing we want at the switch scenes over here to do this. So music source. We want on track 1 to have every source. So that is the full stream. We want on track 2 to have every source except for the music. Track 3, 4, 5, and 6 don't really matter in this case because we're really only setting up to.
You still coding these days? I've been working on a workout app myself. I know you're into lifting. Yeah, I've been trying to, just get back to the level I once was, if that makes any sense. This jit cracks birds. Yeah, I saw you doing something to a bird last night, and we're going to leave it at that. That's all we're going to say about that.
Tracks. So we've got our camera clone, our custom alerts, our game source, except for our music, which is
unsubbing. All right.
We have that removed from track 2. So we can close that.
Yes.
And here, what I mean is you can't have YouTube as your mainstream. You have to have Twitch to output. We are going to be sending audio track 1. However, Twitch has a VOD track that we can set up, which would be track 2. So what that means is it will send
Hold on, I'm looking
track
up how to
1
split up
with
my audio
all the
on OBS real
audio
quick.
to Twitch, but when the on Twitch, but it also sets us a multi-stream thing, and boom, it comes up. And it has our built-in stream, and of course, stream that's going to have the audio output track. Maybe so we know what's going on. We already set this up, has every music.
Okay.
So what we could do is go into our output and audio.
Okay.
Track 1, we can put full audio and get read output, and we're going to select YouTube. And when we click OK, we're going to see that output here.
Hold on,
we're
he's
going
doing
to go
some
back
multi-stream
into
shit.
settings right here. And we're just going to go to the advanced settings tab. Now here, we're going to select audio settings, and we see our encoder and then our audio track. Now, if you don't see the audio track, you have an older version of the ATA multi-stream, so you have to update it. With the updated version, you can drop this down and you can say no music. We're streaming to
I might have to fix some shit here. Let's do Okay, not on track 2. Not on track 2. Okay. I wonder if I could. Let's see. Huh? Why can't I mess with that here? I know that's fixed, but I'll figure that out later. I'll figure that out later. All right. Bro, it is fucking cold up in here, dude. It is cold. Hold on. Okay. So, today, okay, let me fucking fix this shit. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something's not right. Something is not right. Where's my shit at? Dude, it's kind of hard to see even though, like, I'm in the blue dimension. Like, it's hard to see, but it's, like, worth it because we're, like, here. You know what I mean? Oh, there it is. Okay. So, today, I'm probably going to see if I can finish up the little Pi-hole / Unbound project that I was working on. A little bit of intro to networks and Docker type stuff. And then just figure out what to do next, really. I kind of want to go the compiler route and learn how to build that. I feel like that'd be fun. And worthwhile. You know what I mean? But Wait a minute, I'm still on Overwatch on Twitch. What? What? No. No. Oh, also. Huh? I still got a Twitch Prime. I forgot about that shit. What's it called? Looking for clips to upload as like shorts and stuff because I'm gonna try to start doing that because I said I wanted to do that for a bit, but I haven't done it. TBH, I haven't done it. So we're gonna figure that out. But anyway, let's get the good old mixes on real quick. Now we're gonna go with the chill mix right now. How's my mic sound? So okay, as it was louder. Okay. Good, Anakin. Good. Oh shit. Well, that means I gotta get this shit set up again, don't I? Well, here we go. Get this here device turned on. Okay, we are on maxing. All right. I have to move these headphones. Oh, damn. Sippy sip. Pretty soon I want to do something using my green screen. I feel like that'd be fun. Okay, it says I'm connected. All right. Well. Let's get started. Beep. 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 All right. Well, I'm sure we can do this again and it'll be fine. Hello, SSH? Are you there? Hello, SSH? Are you there? Hello? Okay. Connection timed out. This is big. This is actually big. If we really think about it, this is huge. Man, you know what? Come here. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try the good old this. Oh wait, now I should do this. Alright, we're still waiting on the connection. What is happening here? Let's figure this out. Open you. Get the spare keyboard. Okay. Now we got that. Yes. We're in. Yes. Do a quick running of this right here. Sorry. Okay. Can you explain what you're doing? So basically, off of my Raspberry Pi, right? I am running Pi-hole/Unbound, which is to block ads and protect network traffic. And on this computer, I am SSHing into that Raspberry Pi that is online, that is right here, and being able to do everything through this machine instead. What? What is happening here? Is it network dash stuff? I thought it was. CD network stuff. Ah. Alright, now we can run the big command. Yes! Yes! Now we have started. Alright. This is big, right here. This is big. Wait, I know there was something that I was trying to do the other day that wasn't working. So I'll do this. /admin :85/admin, and it's not gonna work. Okay. Wait a minute. That's the wrong one. This should be... Hey, nice. Okay. see what this is saying. Unable to connect. Huge. Actually big. So if I go here, yo, why are you typing? Oh my goodness, I need a new mouse so bad, just for stuff like this. What are you talking about, man? Odd. Okay, well, I guess I could do that. So, back to the main PC with my mouse. Good old Nano. And no. Okay. Sorry. D. Cocker, yes. No figuration. Bruh. What do you mean? Just get the down command. Whoa. Up. So it should just be the exact same but down, right? Why is it doing that to me, man? Why are you doing that? Stop. Stop. Flag D and minus D. If I just change this to down. Alright. So that's it. So no D flag, it's just minus D. Okay. Finish it, bro? That's what's up. Oh, you got done streaming learn CPP tutorials for chapter 3. Spent like an hour making number guesser. It was pathetic, took so long. Hey, but you got it done though. That's what's up. Bro, it's been like 1 or 2 days since I've been on learn CPP. I gotta get back on that. That's true. Why is this taking so long to stop? Boy, we need to have a discussion. Why is this taking so long? There's been some serious laggington going on with this right here. I don't know what the deal is. God damn, man. I don't know what the deal is. Somebody send a Bert in chat. I can't spell it on my phone. Hi, bunny. Hold on. Zaza Bert. There you go. That's the only Bert I remember. Bro, what is taking this so long? I got you. I'm always down to Bert post. CPP is a huge learning curve, but it's so rewarding, which I love. That's actually so true. That's why it's the GOAT of all time language, because it is cool and awesome. No other reason. It is just cool and awesome. That's it. Alright, bro. What is the deal here? Okay, so it worked. C# is goated too, bro. I gotta give C# a try. I'm not gonna lie. I do. Not gonna lie. Right, don't make that noise at me. Now, if we give this as respin. Bruh. Oh, I'm stupid. Wait, I'm actually stupid. Okay. Bro, this shit is making me sad as fuck, actually. Do I have to literally go into here? Oh my god. Okay, this is big. C#, my beloved? Do I really have to tap in with C#? I need to learn Docker. Maybe I'll try making a web server on my Pi for my next project. Yeah, it's super interesting. I like it a lot. You learn containers with Raspberry Pi? Yes. Yeah, I'm learning Docker right now. Right now. Bro, this shit says, after installing Pi for the first time, a password is generated for the user. The password cannot be retrieved later on, but it's possible to get a new password. Explicitly disable the password by setting an empty password using the command Pi set password, which is the shit that I did, and it didn't work. Pi-hole, command not found. This is so big and awesome for us, actually. Problem with being a developer is there's infinite things you want to learn, but never enough time to learn them all. I know, bro. It's a damn shame, man. But I mean, if you just, you know, learn what you find is cool, and that's it. That's what I'm trying to do. All right. Why are you not accepting my password? Why? Let's have a discussion. Alright, let's try this. Oh, they're execute that. There should be no equal sign, actually. That should be a dash. Alright, we're in here. I hold -A-P for Passwordington. We have all the lists from all the stuff. Now, if we look over here, set password PW. Now, what if we try... Should I be showing this? I don't know if that would like mess everything up. Appreciate you, Jay Kaizen. Thank you, family. Well, have a good one. Prompted to enter a new password twice. I am. Pi-hole allow.h. Usage Pi-hole options. So... set password, password 117. Do I have to do Pi-hole set password? Pi-hole allow -h. I think I have to do Pi-hole set password, password 117. Yes! Wait, actually, that actually worked. Okay, that's big. Oh, we're in. We're actually in. Dude, this is crazy. Look! Wow! Yay! Yay! It actually worked. No way. This is big. Alright. Now we exit the Pi-hole container, go back to our original one. Alright. DHCP, API. Export, nah, we need to do that. Okay, now. So, let's go to DNS. Settings. Turn everything off, and then we need to set it to unbound. Custom DNS. Okay. So we'll take these off. Save and apply. Saved. Alright, bet. Now let's try to test unbound. Docker exec dash IT Pi-hole dig google.com. No error. Alright. So, it looks like it's good. Add block lists. Oh, and it just gives you a bunch of, like, ad servers for free? That's crazy. We're in Hackerman. Did you just disable up NP in your router? I don't remember. I messed with it a few days ago, but I forgot. Lol. I'm not planning on having this like fully turned on until it's like completely ready to go. This is more like just test maxing. So hopefully I don't crash my entire internet. Are you on Twitch too? Yes, I am. Hi, Rahul. Hi. Hi. One of my fraternity brothers is named Rahul. I should tell him to pull up to the stream, huh? Okay, so we basically have this thing like ready to go, and now we just need to optimize. I'll double check when you remember, just letting you know if the web GUI has an up NP and your router does, it gets forwarded, then there's potential for it to just be an open internet with a weak or no password. That is good looks, actually. Even for a few minutes can be bad due to port scrapers. Yeah, that is actually W smart. This is big smart. This is what we love to hear. Preventing Heating 117 from making foolish mistakes. This is what we need to see. Okay, now I think we will just shut down everything and probably just move on. So, all right, that was a pretty cool learning experience. Just the first little entryways into the Docker universe. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I do love me some terminal maxing. I'm not gonna lie. I do love it. I do love it. Okay, now for what next? Me trying to figure out next project. Well, I've been wanting to go straight into the depths and try to build a compiler, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I might just say frick it and do it anyway. It might. It's possible. No, my Chatterino crashed. What is happening? Okay, I think we're still locked in. Well, let's go ahead and investigate then. Investigations.